Good afternoon and welcome to Paul T's World. We're going to have a quick look at the plants I've just bought at a local garden centre. I'm sorry about the harsh sunshine, but in Britain it's harsh sunshine all the time at the moment. We have northerlies and easterly winds, and that means dry weather. It's been chilly but sunny the whole time. I'm really pleased with the plants I got today, including this one. Oh, it was fabulous. They weren't too expensive, and I also got some pots, 2 for the price of 1, that I think will be very effective on the patio this year. First of all, let's have a look at some of the pots I've bought. I'm quite pleased with them as they were cheap. They're plastic and it was 2 for the price of 1, so I've got 2 pots for £9. And this one's rather nice, I quite like that one. And let's see what it says. It says crackle 14-inch crackle planter ceramic white. So this 14-inch pot. So all these are 14-inch pots, plastic. There we are, there's another one. So I decided to buy 2 of each, as it was 2 for the price of 1. Now, because I'm going to be putting some plants and indeed bulbs into pots this year, I've bought John Innes number 3. And that is a good soil compost mix for pots. Normally I use straight multi-purpose compost. I think more a soil-based compost is better for a pot, so that's what I've decided to do. And they had an offer of 3 for the price of 2. And here we have a halimium. I don't know some of these plants, but I checked them up, and there's going to be a lot of blue plants in this shed bed. And so I thought, let's have some yellow flowers as well. Now this was £12.99. And next to it, this could be my favourite here. I like berberis. And this is a berberis, probably Tunburi Venice, 3 litre plot, 3 litre pot, and it's £12.99. And I can see that it's going to have some really nice bright coloured flowers, and look at the foliage. It's deciduous. And I'll be checking up later exactly what kind of conditions they like. If they want shade, sunshine, part shade. And here's a Euphorbia Ascot Rainbow, 3 litre pot, £9.99. I wanted something for the right-hand side of the shed bed that would be a stopper, if you like, for the archway. And I wanted an evergreen plant, a Euonymus, Japonica ovatus aureus. Now that's a 2 litre pot, £7.99. And here we've got, now I hadn't intended buying one of these, but it's a Catinus. It's a smoke bush, golden spirit, 3 litre pot, £14.99. And just look at the colours of those leaves. So that is really going to brighten up any bed. Not quite sure where I'm putting this yet. And then we've got viburnums. I do like viburnums, and I've got a lot of the tinus, but this one's completely different. Plicatum Cascade, £12.99. It's got white flowers, so I'm going to put this next to a hydrangea, a lace cap hydrangea I've got that's pink. So I just thought that a pink hydrangea along with this viburnum, which is white, could be rather nice. And then last but not least in this little haul is a Lonicera honeysuckle, and I've got a special place for this. So it's a honeysuckle serotina. There we are. Now how much was this? 14.99. Plants have gone up in price, but I thought this was quite healthy. In fact, they all looked quite healthy. I checked the root ball by taking them out of the pot to make sure they weren't pot bound. And this honeysuckle, this is going to climb up a mountain ash tree that's died. So I've got one that's died, and I thought, well, I've got a structure here. So let's see if I can bush it up with a honeysuckle going right up the tree. And of course, I'll show you that in another video. And while I was at the garden centre, I noticed these 2 pots of bone meal, 2 for the price of 1. Quite good value, so I bought 2. There we are. It's, I think it was about 15 pounds for 2 10-kilogram bone meal, and I've just run out of bone meal. So there's my plant haul. And in a video later this week, I'll be looking again at the shed bed. I don't normally buy this many plants in one go. I'm going crazy here because I've got 2 large beds that need filling, and I want to get on with it. And we'll see you next time in the shed bed. Bye.